PBL on Tour 2025 game schedule from July 26, 27, and 29. On July 26, Saturday, 4 p.m. at USJR Coliseum, Cebu City, maglalaro naman ang Next-Led Chameleons versus PLDT High Speed Hitters. At 6:30 p.m. naman, maglalaro ang Galleries Tower High Risers versus Farm Fresh Foxes. The following day, Sunday, 4 p.m., maglalaro naman ang Galleries Tower High Risers versus PLDT High Speed Hitters. At 6:30 p.m., maglalaro naman ang Next-Led Chameleons versus Farm Fresh Foxes. On July 29, Tuesday, 4 p.m., gaganapin sa Candon City Arena, Ilocos Sur, maglalaro ang Cherry Tigo Crossovers versus Sus Coffee Thunderbells. At 6:30 p.m., maglalaro naman ng Chocomucho Flying Titans versus Petrogas Angels. Naman ang team standing as of July 21, 2025. Sa Pool A, nangunguna pa rin ang PLDT High Speed Hitters followed by Next-Led Chameleons, Farm Fresh Foxes, Petrogas Angels, Chocomucho Flying Titans, and Galleries Tower High Risers. Sa Pool B naman, as of July 21, 2025, nangunguna pa rin ang Signal HD Spikers, Frameline Cool Smashers, Cherry Tigo Crossovers, Akari Chargers, Sus Coffee Thunderbells, and Capital One Solar Spikers. To keep you updated, please subscribe to my channel. Maraming salamat po.